free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
So welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Ashish Gupta and right now I'm at Dochula Pass. Yeah, so we are going to Punakha right now and I will give you the view of the mountains as well. See, right behind me there is the snow-peaked mountains, all snowy. It's freezing right now. So we are riding in around 2 degrees right now. It's 1 to 2 degrees in the morning. Right now it's 9 o'clock. बहुत फ्रीज हो रहा है भाई, विंटर से हीट हो रहे हैं, हाथ कांप रहे हैं. But still we are going. So far so good. Yep. I'll see you soon.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way.
We are where?
We are going to the Thimphu hill. We are doing this walk, but it's very difficult for you guys to walk also. It's really easy for me. Cool.
Okay.
Yeah. Peace.
So don't listen to that shit. So we are here at Suspension Bridge. It's only 10-15 minutes away from Punakha, Dzong. There was a monastery at Punakha, Dzong. So a fort converted into monastery.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.